So my name is Simon Voss. I used to be the managing director of eLab of RWTH Aachen, and they're focusing on battery production and more precisely on battery pilot production. So really understanding how you come from lab to industry. And during that time, I, besides the physical manufacturing process, also looked into the domain of the sensor technologies and all the digitalization that goes along. Because you can only manufacture battery cells if you really know what's going on, right? At the moment, we are talking about 10 plus, 20+% scrap rates in the serious production. Depends on the line and the state of technology, of course, but especially also during ramp up, we're talking orders of magnitudes higher in scrap rate. So it's really important to understand early on what's going on in the manufacturing process. That means you need sensors, but you also need software that tells you how the process is running. And not just that, but makes you understand what you can do based on that data to optimize the process further. So I'm in constant dialogue with many companies and experts to really understand what the current status is and how we can develop further. And that is why I founded Battery as an own company, engineering consultancy company, as a spin-off from my former job at eLab, to go into close dialogue and collaboration with those companies. And here at the 𝘕𝘰𝘵 Forum, we intensify this dialogue and really understanding, asking critical questions. What is the current status of manufacturing execution systems, for example? We just talked about Synapse and what this software can offer, but also talking about the process evaluation using, for example, a software like Cornerstone. And yeah, my role here was for my company, to understand what is the potential of each and every product you offer and take it further, and together with my customers, see where we have a fit potentially. And yeah, so now I have a short view on what you can bring to the market. And I think this is what the forum is very, very valuable for. So thank you for the invitation.